Hi, I'm Claire, and welcome to AI Prime Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to create engaging videos using the power of AI tools. The first tool that we need to use is ChatGPT. I can use it to help me identify the type of video I should be creating. This relationship niche might be worth a try. According to ChatGPT, the number one most common reasons why relationships fail is simply down to poor communication. So let's create a video on how to improve relationships through better communication. But first, I'd like to create a short hook for the video that verbally shows two people arguing because of this very problem in their relationship.
You're the one being selfish. All I ever wanted to do was to make you happy. I showered you with gifts, but you're still not satisfied.
Hey! Do not blame this on me. You still don't get it, do you? I don't want your gifts. I simply want you to listen. And you? You never listen to me.
This is where Fliki comes in. Fliki is an AI voice generation tool that allows me to generate realistic voices and provides me the option of altering the style to suit different occasions.
Hi, this is a quick demo of my voice. Hi, this is a quick demo of my voice. Hi, this is a quick demo of my voice. Hi, this is a quick demo of my voice.
Time to head over to Pictory. Pictory is a tool that automatically generates a video based on certain keywords it finds in the script. Let's use a short script that I got from ChatGPT and let this AI tool do its magic. I have used Pictory since 2021. They have added so many new features since then, and remains to be one of my favorite tools for quickly generating video content online. Excellent! Pictory has automatically created different scenes from our script, and attached relevant footage for each scene. I can also easily swap out any footage from any scene if necessary, and there's quite a lot of footage to choose from. There's a decent amount of background music you can choose. It also comes with its own collection of AI voices, though it is not as customizable as the ones we saw from Fliki earlier.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Pictory also allows custom audio, which means I can upload audio generated by Fliki. I can also create some visuals to go along with the custom audio. Okay, let's take a look at the final video.
You never listen to me.
What do you mean I don't listen? Look, I don't have time for this.
Forget it. You're never going to change. I don't even know why I've put up with you all these years.
Communication is essential in any relationship. When couples have poor communication, they can't effectively express their needs, wants, and desires. This can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and resentment. So, what can we do to prevent poor communication from ruining our relationships? Here are a few tips. First, listen actively. When your partner is talking, really listen to what they're saying. Repeat back what they're saying to make sure you understand. Second, be clear and concise. Say exactly what you mean in a way that your partner can understand. Third, use I statements instead of you statements. This helps you take responsibility for your feelings instead of blaming your partner. Fourth, don't make assumptions. Ask questions and clarify anything you don't understand. And finally, practice empathy. Put yourself in your partner's shoes and try to understand their perspective. Remember, communication takes practice. But if you're willing to put in the effort, you can prevent poor communication from ruining your relationship.
And there you have it. Thanks for watching AI Prime Tutorials. If you'd like to try any of these AI tools yourself, I have put all the links in the description below. Feel free to subscribe as I intend to create more tutorials like this. Until then, see you next time.